Okay, so I figured that I would do a couple of videos for those of you who are still working on the argumentative essay, especially if you're in the beginning stages. So if you're still not quite sure how to fill out the graphic organizer, this video is for you. So let's start with the prompt. So the prompt says the 10 amendments are part of the Constitution, which is a foundational piece of literature. Are the 10 amendments unalterable, or are they living documents that can be changed over time? Let's talk about the word foundational. So when you think of foundation, you should be thinking of like the foundation of like a house, right? You have to have a foundation for a house because otherwise the house goes every which way. And likewise can be said about a country. Foundational documents of a country convey the values and the beliefs of that society. And so they are used to kind of keep society in line. So, in this way, and we're only talking about the Constitution, the US Constitution. So, the US Constitution serves as a foundational document because our country is built up on the ideas and the values that are listed in the Constitution. So we're going to get specific here, and we have 10 amendments that we're going to be looking at. And these 10 amendments are well known because they very clearly convey those beliefs and values of American society that I was talking about. So the idea here is that you're going to pick one of these amendments, just one, and you are going to write an argumentative essay about that one amendment. Do you think that the amendment that you picked, should it be unalterable? Like it should not change, it should stay the same? Or do you think that the amendment that you picked does need to change so that it could better meet the needs of today's society? So that's basically what you're doing. Should it change? Should it not change? If you are looking over this list of amendments and you're like, I still don't really know what I want to do, I don't understand these things, I would invite you to go to week 6, the week 6 folder, where it says days 4 through 5, argumentative writing and planning, or pre writing. And here is the prompt that we were just looking at. But this right here, it's actually a PowerPoint that goes through and explains each of those 10 amendments. Now, I'm not going to go through it because this is your chance to be an active learner. Take control of your education. If you don't understand an amendment, go to this PowerPoint and read up on the amendment that you are looking at. Okay, this could really help you because it explains what the amendments are and it also gives examples. So again, if you're not sure which one it is that you want to do, then I recommend that you go to that PowerPoint. And again, it's in week 6, day 4 through 5, argumentative writing, planning, and pre-writing. It's right here, Bill of Rights, meanings and examples. So the next video that I'm going to do is about filling out the graphic organizer.